Gas fool, wake the fuck up already, dog. It's track day. What the fuck are you doing? Peace out. Michael as fuck right now. Woo! Look at this fucking man. Wow, bro. What? Hey. I don't roll that way, buddy. Sheesh. Can't even tell it's blasted from here. I mean, yeah, because you didn't do as much white. Is that the spot where you didn't do as much white? It looks all the same on camera, who cares? All for the clout. Just put 15 in there, fuck it. That's a race spec PSI, dog.
I'm running that junior PSI.
Hey, dog, I always grip.
22.
I always grip. Perfect for wheelies. Hold on, I can tell you what it is. You're like 28 right now. You need to keep pumping. For sure.
It was 26 and I gave it 2 pumps for the outside.
2 pump chump. That's Michael's nickname. They actually have a rule that I can't be out here. They said that I'm gonna sandbag every class. They're like, yep, he's just gonna sandbag everything. This is my ride.
It's for the clout right here. I'll get a couple pumps in.
Check them out. Check them out. That kid is goat. Oh shit. No cramping today, boys. Woo! What a man. Look at this man right here. Woo! Can't see me. Alright, Bowman. My fucking hand, bitch. Alright, dog, one rule. Kill that shit. Oh, that was hard. It's game over. You ready? That's right. Woo! What? Oh my god. Hey.
I wonder what like that.
Michael with the need for speed though. Jeez. Coming hot into the corner. Good job. Ramiro coming in hot. We got off the track early. What? We might have some issues here. Michael, the people want to know why you got off the track, bud. You weren't feeling anymore? Oh, okay, okay. That's a real champ mentality there, all right? Knowing when your time is up, all right? Oh shit. How's it feel that 300 wrecked you, though? Like you literally got wrecked by 300. Like physically, literally, mentally, everything. You can't brake for shit.
Putting it in like
Ass. Let me see that. Shoo. You know the savior, bringing the helmet and the visor.
Where's the helmet?
After we had a little mishap.
Zoom in on that search visor.
The freshie. Michael, so how do you feel about your visor just being torn in two? What? You want to get it back so you can glue it or something? JV Roll will probably fix it. Get that work. Let me get some work. Come on, for the YouTubes. That was whack? Alright, let me see a good one.
Come on, if I'm gonna be on the internet, it's gotta be internet worthy.
Oh, come on. Jeez. Little time lapse? Michael, right to the bone, man. He's gay. He loves that dick. He pounds his shit until he quits. And then he swallows all the nuts. And then he tries to get to butt. But he can't. Cause he.
Oh, bro, you should have done a time lapse.
What?
Should have done a time lapse.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to do time lapse right now. For the clout. Peace out, cunt. It's for the clout, you gotta do it. Michael would like an official sign out, so we gotta give it to him. Alright, Michael, hit it.
Hey, this is Mikey B. Good day at the track. My boys.
That's right.
We out.
Woo! That was killer.
Fingertips on the hips as I tip, gotta get a tight grip, don't slip, loose lips ain't ships, it's a trip. I love the way she licks her lips, see me jocking, put a little twist in her hips, cause I'm watching. Conversations on the phone till the break of dawn, now we all alone while the lights on. Turn them off, time to set it off, get you wet and soft, something's on your mind.